Hello, I am Adrienne Hahn, a construction litigation attorney in Southern California. I'm here today to give you 4 good tips on how to win a case against your contractor. The first tip is that you do need a really good contract, and that is much harder to do than you think. There's a lot of very experienced attorneys who mess this up. Many of my clients have absolutely no contract, which is a big mistake. They only have estimates, they have proposals, they have documents that are just emails or text messages back and forth. That's not what you want to do. Other clients have a contract written by their contractors and they think that that's okay. But obviously the contractor wrote the contract to protect them, not you. We also have clients who think they can write their own contract and they grab something online, but that doesn't necessarily apply to their project and it doesn't contain the provisions that would protect them. So it's really important to have a very good contract. It's also important to know what provisions really help you. For example, you really do want an attorney's fees clause to help you keep money in your pocket when you win your case. My second point is that you really want to have good records, meaning you want to keep track of all your paper documents, your construction plans, emails, texts, any oral agreement you want to reduce to a writing and make sure you keep it. You clearly want to keep it somewhere you're going to be able to find it later too. So make sure you have a simple way, either a big box on your computer, a simple file that you know you put everything into it to keep these records. Your lawyer needs to have records to be able to help you win. My third tip is rather obvious, but you need to tell the lawyer the truth. It's very difficult for us to defend you or protect you if we don't know all the facts of your case. Sometimes you'll think a fact is really bad and you think it's better not to mention it. That never works out in your favor. Your lawyer needs to know all of the facts so we know how to strategize to protect you the best. My third tip is you need to tell the truth to your lawyer. Well, that sounds kind of obvious. A lot of people think it's better to hide the facts, or at least the bad facts, from their lawyer. This never works out in your favor. It's clear that the lawyer is probably going to find out everything in the case because the other side is going to be more than happy to tell me all the reasons why my client did a horrible job at whatever they were supposed to have done. In that case, if I don't know in advance, I can't protect my client as best as I would like to. So make sure, give all the bad, the good, and the intermediate facts to your lawyer. My last tip is to keep your mouth shut. And I don't mean that to be rude, but you've hired a lawyer, you're investing money in the protection of your property. You really do not need to be talking about this case with your friends, social acquaintances, strangers, just because you're angry. Don't post on social media. Don't say nasty things about your contractor. This has a lot of potential for bad side effects on you. One, it could expose you to some liabilities that you didn't even know you could have. Two, it could hurt your case against your contractor. I know I gave you a lot of information and it can be confusing. If you're considering starting a remodeling project, new construction, a tenant improvement, please be sure to call a lawyer. I would be more than happy to go over with you the ideas that you're looking at, find a way to make a contract that works to protect you and your rights, and help you through the project. Please call me.